friends, Walgreens was absolutely amazing this morning. We're going to talk about this $40 basket in a second. There was a lot of speculation. Would there be a 6 off of 2 digital coupon for the Elvis shampoo? L'Oreal Elvive, I hate that name. I call it the Elvis. They screwed us. It's only a 4 off of 2, so these are $1 each. But if you put it in a basket such as I did, you can maybe get them really cheap or possibly free. And I also want to talk about some clearance that I found, and these products were 75% off. So a $100 water pick I got for like 24 bucks, and there's a $5 rebate with Waterpik. So I actually got this for $20 after everything is said and done, and some very inexpensive Fix-It-In, and this is a 3-month supply. We're going to talk about some quick penny items over at the Dollar General. I found all of this in the last 2 days. And then over at Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest, we have some free hot sauce and some very inexpensive popcorn, like 9 cents for one of these 3 bags. So that is a really good deal, so we'll talk about that too. The weather report for you guys, kind of a frigid, cold one out there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so let's talk about the clearance stuff right off the cuff, because I know a lot of you are probably like, I don't care about Walgreens this week. What's the clearance? So this Waterpik, which is an all-in-one, so they have some that are just for flossing, just for this, just for that. This is a water flosser and a sonic toothbrush. So you got the best of both worlds. This is on clearance for $24.99. With clearance, it's always a year mileage may vary. So not every store, same clearance schedule. But this one was $24.99 if you want to get a screenshot here of the UPC. If you go to the site, waterpik.com, they have a little mail-in rebate that you can do where you photograph your receipt and send it off to them, and they'll mail you back a check, I believe, for $5. So that is really cool. And this is what it is. You know, if you have a lot of dental work or whatever, this is a really good thing to have. And for 20 bucks, absolutely what it's about. So if you could find it, I would buy it, because I started using this a couple days ago and I really think it's a pretty cool product. I've always wanted one too, so I love it. So now we have some Fix-It-In. I'm not sure if they're not going to be carrying this anymore or what the story is, but this guy was $1.69, I believe. I'll put in a screenshot here in a quick second. If you even wear night guard, sometimes you need this to get the bacteria and the grossness off of your like partial or night guard, or if you wear dentures, but a really fantastic price. Unfortunately, no digital coupons for this, or no insert coupons from the P&G. I did look, but still a really great price point. So as stated, guys, I really thought there would have been a 6 off of 2, and here's why. Because we already got a 4 off of 2 digital earlier in the month, so I just thought maybe they would spoil us with a 6 off of 2, but that did not happen. So they gave us another 4 off of 2. So we have the 4 off of 2 digital along with this coupon, which is the IBC found in the Big Book of Savings. So these are on sale this week for $8, subtracting the 4 off of 2 and this coupon, you're paying $1 per Elvive shampoo. So okay, so I had 2 different boosters. I had a digital of spend 20, get back 5, and then a paper booster that came out of the Catalina machine of spend 40, get back 9. So I had to get a $40 basket working for me. So the first thing that I grabbed was $9 of toothbrushes. These are $3 a pop. Buy 3 of them, get back a $5 register reward. Plus, IBOTTA is giving you back $1 for each, so that's really great. And digitally, we have a 3 off of 2 plus $1 off digital coupon, so really smart deal. With the Elvis, we already talked about that. They're $8 for 2. We have the IVC plus the $4 digital off of this and a $4 digital off of this. And I did factor in the IVC into the math as well, which is this coupon. The Priscilla is $4.99. We have a $2 digital, so it makes it $2.99. for a detergent that's usually upwards of like $7 or $8. Not a bad price point. And then these Angel Softs were included, which are these 6 mega rolls. So this guy was $4.99. Get back a $3 register reward. Plus we had 50-cent digitals on 2 of them, so that's not too bad. So for all of this stuff, guys, it was $44.96. I got the cashier to scan this and $4 came off. So the new total for all of my stuff is $40.96. I got the cashier to scan, you know, spend 40, get back 9, plus I had my booster loaded of spend 20, get back 5. I also had $15 of digitals. I had 4 for the brushes, 8 for Elvis, 2 for the Persil, and $1 for the Angel Soft. So I had to, and then I also threw in 2 register rewards that I got last week. The $6 one from the Tide deal, and then the $8 one for Just for Men. So with all of that off, I had to pay $11.96 with my debit card. And then I got back $14 of Walgreens cash, 5 for the digital booster and 9 for the paper booster. And then I got back a $3 register reward for Angel Soft. I also got back a $5 register reward for this. I also got back $3 from IBOTTA for this. So after everything is said and done, it was free plus a $13.04 money maker. And rolling both at 8 and 6, if you're gonna subtract that, I think this basket would cost you $1. So still a really, really good deal. And I think it's a super smart way to flip 2 register rewards into Walgreens cash and, you know, other deals for this week. Absolutely fantastic. And guys, grab 3 of these. Sorry, the VO got cut up. We had some cats screaming in the background, and this is the digital coupon. So now we're over at Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. I'm not sure if this is a mistake or what this is all about, but these little 3 bags of these Meijer brand popcorn are part of the buy 5 save 5. So they're $1.09 a piece. So if you grab 5 of them, that's $5.45. You put in your store card at the till, and then you scan 5, and then $5 will automatically come off. You do not have to load a coupon or anything. And if you wanted to do this more than once, yes, you can do this. Why are you buying this if you're on a keto diet? A very good question. I bought this for my in-laws because they do like popcorn. My mother-in-law loves popcorn, so this will be a special treat for her. I would do this deal sooner in the week than later. They might pull it or it might be cleared because when you can get popcorn for 9 cents, people will go crazy for it. The next little cheapie, or the next little freebie, is with the Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce. This guy is on sale for $1.49 this week. In the Smart Source, depending what your market has, there were $1.50 coupons. There is no digital for this. It's a paper coupon from the inserts, and it basically makes it free. And yes, that coupon scans at self-checkout perfectly, so I got a free hot sauce. I only had 1 coupon, but I still got one for free. Absolutely loving these little Meijer deals. I would do the popcorn ASAP, and if you are so lucky to have that $1.50 coupon, go get some free hot sauce. Okay, so on Friday and Saturday, I went to various Dollar Generals looking for stuff, you know what I usually do. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm still finding Christmas penny items, and if you can find them, absolutely, you know, get them. If you scan these barcodes, it's ringing up as 0.00, which will ring up for a penny at the till. So I found some S.C. Johnson. These, I know this is a fall scent, which is apple of my pie. It's sort of like pie scent. And I'll show you guys the UPCs for all of these. but they're ringing up for $1. And where I found these guys for the most part is like in the air care aisle. So I found this guy, and I also found this apple cinnamon. It's by True Living, which is a Dollar General brand. This one's kind of curved, but also a penny. Like, just keep looking. And if you scan these at home, it might say it's not in stock, but it might be in stock at your store. So if you are out and about, just like look and see what they have. If anything looks Christmassy, open up your Dollar General app and scan and see what they have. This pumpkin was actually in the clearance food. They had a little wire rack, so I found this guy for a penny. And my mother-in-law enjoys making pumpkin pie, so I thought I would give that to her. And this is definitely a dented can, but for 1 cent, you can't beat it. This little container, they had this really creepy flower arrangement that was all about fall. Happy fall, y'all. It looks scary, and of course nobody wanted to buy it. So I just took the flowers out and kept this, and I thought this is really nice, like for the summertime, or you know, for potting a little plant or just keeping it empty. Yeah, so I just repurposed it. Last little great find in the candle section, like with all the candles, is I found this one. It's called Holiday Style Gingerbread Spice. It is very holiday looking, and there you have it, a red square, so you know that is a holiday thing, and I paid a penny for this. So I would still like look, like this doesn't really look like a lot of pennies, but it's still 5 and over various stores. One of them I found 3 pennies and then a penny here, a penny there. But it's definitely worth looking, especially if you know, like, oh, definitely this is like a holiday thing, or if you know this is a holiday thing. I would, if you have some free time, look for pennies. You have nothing to lose. Oh, I will point something out. I did run into this where they had these little soap dispensers and little things with these brown dots on the back, and they're still ringing up full price, so they have not pennied or even 25 cented out. It's weird, but if you run into this roadblock, just know that a lot of us are, you know, it's still full price, which is really bizarre, even though it looks holiday themed, which is weird too. So it's this weird brown dot. Anyhow, guys, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.